Hey guys, it's Anahata. How are you? All right. We have a beautiful mockingbird in the tree. So let's just wait for a few minutes to have people join. We can listen to the acoustics brought to you by that mockingbird. Very sweet. Okay guys, hi, it's Anahata. How are you? So glad you're here with me. Hopefully you can hear me. I'm gonna speak loudly. That mockingbird really wants our attention. I'm gonna look that up, the medicine, in a minute. Oh, he's so beautiful. I'm sorry, I just want to listen to it just for a little bit. Hi, cutie. Hi, sweet. I hear you. I hear you. Wow, really beautiful. Okay, guys, thanks for joining me for this live medicine for the moment. We are installing the assisting frequency of a potent code together right now from the Book of Codes, the Anahata Codes, which is the Law of Attraction of Energy Medicine. And this code is going to embody the quantum nuggets of a crystal that is one of my favorites. And I actually have it around my neck. I'll come show you. Dioptase. Oh yeah. All right, so what is Dioptase going to do for us? Dioptase is going to allow us access to activating dynamic self-healing of the collective definition of what Dioptase is. And it's really beefy. So you are going to activate, when I install this for us, resonance remembrance to the raw components of what Dioptase is from the quantum domain. It's really cool. If you haven't experienced installing an assisting frequency, this is a potent one to come forward for the first time. You will experience some detoxing. This is an emotional healing. This code this crystal is very emotionally healing. If you have any childhood traumas, it's going to heal those for you. If you've experienced any deep grief, if you've experienced a struggle with your worth or your value, if you are lacking self-love, if you are in need of rewiring, any of that. Who isn't? I mean, I don't know one of us who couldn't benefit from this code. And so guys, this code is going to do that, but it's going to do much more than that. My hair is not dry, so my hair just got stuck on my earring. The joys of doing a live. Okay, so in addition to all of that, this code is going to activate forgiveness of yourself and others. It's going to heal your higher heart, which is the area of unconditional love. It's going to provide you with compassion, if that is what you are in need of, for highest good. It's also on a physical level going to be a very fast detox, okay? So you will experience a detox just like you would if you were detoxing, like with some type of supplement or drink. Not everyone, because some people don't need that, but if you are in need of that, it's also going to support your immune system, okay? So it's going to boost your immune system. And then the final area is really in the 5D realm of support and expansion within this dioptase crystal, and that is clearing all your chakras in terms of getting them degunked, right? Getting any type of attachments that are slowing down those wheels that are moving your chi, your energy up and down, okay? So it's going to help you with that. It's going to activate your third eye, so you're going to be more intuitive with this assistance as well. It's going to center you in the now. This is super, super powerful, guys. If you can center in the now moment, your whole entire life will change, because often our pain is associated with either pulling the past into the now moment, because the now is all we have. Time is an illusion. There is no past because it's gone. There is no future because it hasn't happened yet. The now, the eternal now, is your place of power and your place of magnetism. So this code is going to elevate your vibration while you are anchored in the now, into your higher heart center. Third eye activation coming through, clearing your chakras. And again, if you can anchor in the now, you're going to be able to co-create the life you want versus a life that you are fearful of. Because oftentimes we view the is, what's happening right now, what we can see, taste, touch, smell, feel, as reality, when in fact it's just vibrational components of the past which have manifested. So the only thing that matters in the now is how you're perceiving of the now and what you are magnetizing to you because of that. So again, this dioptase crystal assisting frequency, which we're going to install right now, is going to do all of that in the ways that your body needs it to, specifically. And it's a self-directed biological transformation. So let's install it now. You put your left palm up, right hand on your heart. And I'm going to install this for everyone, and then I will let y'all go. And if you didn't catch the first part of this, go back to the replay to understand what it is you have access to. But we are going to go ahead and install this. Left palm up, right hand on your heart, dioptase. We ask for, align with, and allow this Anahata code. With gratitude, we attain and activate the assisting frequency of the crystal varietal dioptase. 2468910111130.